Today on Let's Talk Drinks, I'm going to make a drink that's been around even before 1875. It is a gin daisy, so keep watching. All right guys, so today I'm going to make a gin daisy. So daisy, what is a daisy? I guess it's not just a flower. A daisy normally was, back in the day in the 1800s, a cocktail that would have some form of pomegranate or raspberry syrup added to it. I love gin, and I definitely love good gin. So today I'm going to make something that I'm going to start with the Imbue Distillery's Suburban Gin. It's made here in Australia. So for all of my viewers that are all over the world, and thank you so much, like honestly, it's kind of embarrassing to me the amount of views that I'm getting everywhere around the world, and thumbs up, thank you so much. But I need to look after our local distilleries, especially now during COVID times, because we are still suffering at the moment. This gin here has got like dandelion, prickly pear, blackberry, fennel. I should know, I keep reading the bottle, but anyway, I've had a few cocktails today. I'm going to start with 60 mils or 2 ounces of the Imbue Suburban Gin. And special shout out to Mick and the guys there. You make really great spirits and gins. We're really happy to have you guys on board here at the 18th Amendment. We stock it here, so good on you. Next up, 1/4 ounce or 7.5 mils of yellow Chartreuse. Then next up, it calls for 7.5 mils of pomegranate syrup. I want to use Parma. It's a pomegranate liqueur because I need to boost up the booze in this drink. Like, there's already so much in there, but I don't drink the whole thing, so I want to get happy. 7.5 mils or 1/4 ounce of some lemon juice just to balance out the flavors there of the Chartreuse and the Parma pomegranate. Gonna get some ice there. Give it a really good shake. All right. Now I'm going to pour this just single strained into my goblet. And I'm going to add some crushed ice to that. And give that a little bit of a stir. Now my garnish for that is going to be a lemon wedge with some cherry on it. Now, it looks amazing, but let's be honest, I don't really want to drink with something sort of hanging over there. So I'm going to be something a little bit different and just chuck it in there. Give it another stir. Garnishes are great, but they need to be something that don't really sort of like restrict your drinking as well. Let's give it a try. All right. It's really good. It's refreshing. I can definitely pick up the gin there. As far as the pomegranate, I believe that it probably needs a little bit more than that. I'm going to put 7.5 mils. I'm just going to add a touch more of that because I find it's a little bit dry. Who am I to say that the cocktail specs are wrong, but I'm just going by my taste. Yeah, that's way better. Great drink. 1875, pre that. I think that's when it was actually written down in something, but it's a great drink. Just want to say a big shout out to some of the other YouTube creators out there that I've been following. Steve the Bartender, obviously Cara from Behind the Bar, the amazing creators like Tribal Bar Guy, 60-second cocktails, Booze on the Rocks. Oh, look, there's so many of you. Rob's Home Bar, Tim, you're the man. Guys, please like, subscribe. There's so many others that I'm following at the moment, and I'm sure I'll definitely give you a shout out on my videos. But most important thing is we've got this really great community teaching people how to make cocktails, and the way I see it is the more that people drink cocktails at home, going to want to come out and try them in venues, and being a venue owner, that's what I want. So cheers to you guys. See you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.